question, they can won this with seriously open challenge with 4 GB daily internet pack. Okay, so who is our today's guest? Anyone? Liver. How many of you know about the Hollywood actress Karen? Hollywood actress. No problem, she is not important to our topic, but her last name is important to us. So Galen is the Greek scientist who discovered the functions. First of all, it is a bulk organ located below the diaphragm, and it has 2 lobes, and it is also the largest gland. And below the right lobe, there is a organ called as the gallbladder, which only stores the bile. There is no other functions than it. And it is located below the diaphragm, and it has 2 lobes. One is the right lobe, and the other is the left lobe. So the right hepatic duct from the right lobe and left hepatic duct from the left lobe combines to form a common hepatic duct. So this common hepatic duct joins with the cystic duct of the gallbladder and forms common bile duct, and it ends in the duodenum. Okay, and internally we know that the functional unit is the lobules, and this functional unit is covered by a covering called as Gleason's capsule. So Gleason gave license to the capsule, so it is called as the Gleason's capsule. Okay, now it's time to unlock the functions. So the first function is the secretion and synthesis of bile. First of all, what is this bile? So bile is a yellowish green fluid, alkaline fluid. It helps in the emulsification of fat, as well as it kills the harmful bacteria present in our body, and also it helps in the prevention of decomposition of food when it is inside our body. And the next is the how does the blood reaches? The blood reaches in 2 ways. One is by the hepatic duct, which means hepatic artery, and the other is by the hepatic portal vein. So the name hepatic portal vein, it is not a vein, it is a false vein. For example, I am Jackie Chan, but I am not the real Jackie Chan, my name is Jackie Chan, like that. Hepatic portal vein is just a name, it is not a true vein. And everyone knows that the artery always carries oxygenated blood, and veins always carry the deoxygenated blood. As the same, hepatic artery carries oxygenated blood, and the hepatic portal vein carries the deoxygenated blood plus some nutrients. And the second function is storage of fats. Some fats are usually stored in liver, but when the fat increases, it leads to a disease called cirrhosis. Okay, so this disease is most common in the group of gladiators called as Kudimagangal, drunkards. Okay, and the last is the purification of blood. As you know that the hepatic portal vein carries the deoxygenated blood. So this hepatic portal vein carries deoxygenated blood, and the toxic substances are converted into non-toxic substances or less toxic substances. As Rakesh says, ammonia is converted into urea, and prussic acid is converted into the potassium sulfocyanide. Okay, whenever there is a story, there must be a hero. Whenever there is a hero, there must be a villain, and the villains are the diseases. So what are all the diseases? The most common disease is the jaundice. So jaundice is not caused by the pathogens like virus, bacteria, plasmodium, protozoan, and so on. It is caused due to the excess production of bilirubin, and this condition is called as the hyperbilirubinemia. And the next is the hepatitis. So there are several kinds of hepatitis: A, B, C, D, and E. So first of all, hepatitis is a viral infection. When this disease reaches its peak, it causes cancer and inflammation. Okay, and the last is the Wilson's disease. It is a inherited disease or genetical disease which passes from one generation to the other generation. Hence, the tutorial came to an end. Okay, shall I ask the question? What is this? Liver. The book comes from the Rakesh Kanala. Okay.